Just welcome back, and just here we can discuss design the thing here. Just if the user clicks this button, the order now, and just it should take to the other place. Okay, and that means it's the payment page. Okay, and here just I duplicate this page here. Okay, and just here we can delete all these things just here, and use this button, backward button, that's it. And the rest of others just we can decide. And just what we can decide means just here just we need to give the payment options like credit card, PayPal, and Google Pay. Okay, and just here just we can type something else like payment method. Okay, and just this is the payment method, and just we can use three methods over here. Okay, and just here we can import some logos here. Okay, and just we imported all the three logos. Okay, and just now here just we can drag these for two more times, and just so here what we can drag means, and now here just we need to duplicate this one and duplicate this one for two more times. Instead of bringing that here, just we can replace these images. Okay, and just here just we can make this into replace image. Okay, and just now here just we can select all these three logos, and just we can make it some perfect alignment. Okay, and now these three in the perfect alignment, and just now here just we can type something else. So this is credit card. Okay, and just we can duplicate this one as PayPal. And duplicate this for one more time, and this is Google Pay. And just we can make this in the perfect alignment. And instead of making this, just we can make this in the white. Okay, this is the perfect thing, I think. Okay. Alright, and now here, just what we can do, just before creating the radial button, just I can click and create a button here, and just here, just we can and drag this button here. And here, just we can make it into a component, and just here with the default state here, just we can make it some blue color or black color just here. Okay, and just here just we can create one more power state, and over here just we can make something else like blue color. Okay, and create one more button, and this is a toggle state, and just here just we can make something else like alright, and now here just we can something else, create a text here. Okay, now. And just here just what we can do, just we can give it white color. Okay, and just now here just we can go to the default state. Okay, alright, and now this is we finished, and now it's time just we need to create a radial buttons. Okay, and here just what we can do is we can take a some perfect circle, and just here just we can duplicate this one, okay, and just now here just we can select all these three and just make it into the perfect alignment. Okay, alright, and now here just what we can do, and just we need to select into make a component. Okay, so this is the default state here, and so here is what we can do, so we can create a new state, and this is a credit card. Okay, so here in this state just what we can do, and just we need to make this into the black, just we can make this into the white, and here just we can make this the border black, and just we can make this one into the okay, and just we need to give this into 12. Okay, alright, and this is the credit card state, and just now just what we can do, and I need to create a new state, and this one is a PayPal. Okay, and here just what we can do, and just I need to select this one and select this one as well, and just here just I can make this one into one. Okay, just we need to give this credit card for this credit card ellipse circle, just we need to give it in the stroke value the 1, and just we need to change this into the gray color. Okay, like before. Okay, and let's concentrate on this PayPal, and just here just we need to select the border color to black, and just here just we need to give as usual the stroke, I think some 13 in the same way just we need to give. Okay, and just once we can, okay, okay, and just now we can create a last step, and that is called a Google Pay. Google Pay, not Play. Okay, and just here just what we can do, and just we need to select this PayPal button, and just we need to bring it to gray color, and just here just we can give the size to 1. Okay, And now just we need to concentrate on this Google Pay, and just I need to give this color to black and make it to some 30. Okay, alright, and just we used to have the Google Pay, PayPal, credit card, and this is the default state. Okay, and now we can start going the prototype here. And just here, just we can first we need to click this one here, the credit card, and just control click on this circle, and just here just we used to have the arrow mark. If you double click here, and just here we can see just we can use this one trigger as tap and transition type to transition, and this destination just here just we need to use the credit card. Okay, and now let's click this one, and just over here the same, the transition, the tap, and the destination just we need to give it to the PayPal. Okay, and just here just we can go to the Google Pay, and just here just we can use the Google Pay. Okay, and now here just again just we can go over here and just we can see the credit card. Okay, and just now we can go to the prototype, and just here just we can give the destination to default. Okay, and for here the destination to PayPal, and for the third one just we can use the destination to Google Pay. Okay, and now again just we can go back here, and this time just we can go to the PayPal state and just start doing the prototype, and just here just we can select the credit card, and here we can use this one as the credit card for the credit card, and just for the PayPal just we can give it as default. Okay, and the next thing, the Google Pay, just if you double click this one and see here just we need to give it to the Google Pay. Okay, and let's go back to the component, and we can set the last state, the Google Pay, and just here just we can double click this one, the credit card, and just here just we can use this as the credit card, and just for the PayPal just we can use the PayPal, and for the Google Pay that means just here we can use this as default state. That means just if the user click again the default, it will go back to the default. Okay, and just now we finish everything, and so here just once we can look the final output. Sorry, just we can go to the default by default, and just we can see here the radar buttons are perfectly working now. And just if you want to select anything else, just we can select that thing. Okay, and coming to here, and this is the button, just this is the rollout, and just this is when you click the button, see here. Okay, alright guys, and that's it, and just we can continue in the next class. The rest of the things. Bye, see you in the next class. Bye.